Google just released a game-changing creative tool that transforms your wildest art ideas into reality. Watch how we're using iStudio to generate mind-bending flow art. Google's iCreative Studio is a free, accessible platform designed for artists and creators. It combines generative AI with intuitive controls, letting you create professional-grade artwork without technical skills. Perfect for exploring new styles, generating inspiration, or producing finished pieces for your portfolio. Use multiple prompts to combine styles. Use reference images to guide the eye's aesthetic choices. Adjust parameter controls for unique outputs. Try combining unexpected elements, surrealism plus geometric patterns, or fluid dynamics with digital brush effects. Each experiment unlocks new creative possibilities. Export your creations in high resolution for print, social media, or commercial projects. Google Studio integrates seamlessly with design workflows. Use generated pieces as starting points for further refinement in Photoshop or Procreate. Share your best work and creditize role transparency builds audience trust. Subscribe for weekly IIR tutorials and creative experiments. Drop a comment telling us what you'd create first in Google's iStudio. We create first in